Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and my friend Brittany has drugged me out today from behind my desk. She thinks that I need a little bit of sunshine. Getting a little grumpy today, I guess. We have a 32 by 52, and boy do we love the name of this home. It's called the Topeka, and that's where you can come if you want to view homes and you want to meet my team, our team, Champions team. And what we do is we sell homes to people. So if you have an interest in putting a home on some private land or in a park, we can help you through the whole process. Let's check it out. Now, when we're talking about the modern way to black out a home, and a lot of people are wanting to do this, there's the expensive way and the not so expensive way to get the same kind of look. Adding the black fascia at the top, so that means the soffit all the way around is going to be black, and when you're doing a black roof, that just seamlessly comes in from the roof line and looks really, really sharp. And when you're coming down the front of the home, this customer, hi Heather, this is your house. We're so happy to show you. This customer did the classic black and white, so you pair it with some black shutters. You've still got the black trim around your faucet and also around your light fixtures, so you're inevitably getting the same look as if you were to black out all the windows. So that's the alternative to doing the blackout feature when you're blacking out a home. Let's take a trip into the living room. Here we go in the windy living room because we got plastic on that side. So this is the front of the home, walking straight into a wide open living room. And on the other side of the plastic is going to be the kitchen, which we're going to see in just a moment. So the Topeka is the smaller version of the Jeffersonville, which is the home that I live in. So I love this floor plan. And another thing you could add while I have you in here is if you wanted to do an entry closet, that's an option also. This is our brand new standard carpet called Silver Dollar. It's got a nice light gray color to it. And then this customer added the ultimate home drywall package. So I used to just call it the drywall package, but it's so much more than that. White wrapped profile trim. The only way for you to be able to get a clean finished ceiling joint just like that. Otherwise, the alternative is to have trim up there. And then also 7 can lights, and you choose where they go. So Heather decided she was going to square out her living room, which is always a great option. Now my friend Brittany on the other side of the camera is walking in and out of the installation materials. Those are always going to be inside of your living room. All right, heading right off of the living room is going to be the master bedroom or the primary bedroom, whichever you guys prefer me to say. And great feature of the primary bedroom, you're going to have two 30 by 61. So I love when you do the double windows side by side. It just gives it a nice clean look, just like a stick-built home. Added a ceiling fan here, and now on the other side of this plastic, we're going to see the master bath. Here we're going to take a quick sneak peek into bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. So Brittany, stick her head in there. Here you go, you can talk now, Brittany. What do you see in there?
I see a window and a bedroom. I think the closet's right up around the corner here, folks.
All right.
We're seeing it.
Great bedrooms for the kids, for sure. Bedroom number 3.
Hey, there's a screen in here, folks.
So whenever we have screens, we're going to
And then the closet will be there.
Loose. And now let's head over to the good side of the house. You're always going to have a wet and a dry half. Are you still recording? A wet and a dry half. Excuse me. So the dry half is usually kind of the boring side of the house, right? Bedrooms, living room, nothing too fancy over there. We got the last member of our team, Reagan, jumping around somewhere. Okay, let's start with the master bath.
You go ahead and film yourself there. I'm just going to
Okay.
hang out here.
Oh God, which one do I push the white
We're
button?
still going, honey.
White one?
We're still going.
Oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys, this is not a professional production here, so we're just gonna keep going. Okay, there's Brittany. I didn't know that she had stopped recording. Okay, here we go. Jumping into the master bath. We are humans. You're gonna have a linen closet over here, plenty of space to store sheets, towels, all that good stuff. The customer, Heather, she added a walk-in shower, no door. So that's an option. It's about a $500 difference when you do the doors versus the no doors. And a lot of people are asking me, can we get seats in there? So what's gonna happen when you get your home, you're gonna have the option here to look at the barcode or the QR code and order a seat, which is a nice teak seat, okay? So a nice wooden seat. Always, 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 if you get the opportunity and you're not scared of peepers, add a window into the bathroom. You will not regret it. And then right here in door number 1, what's behind door number 1? Oh, mama, we got a walk-in closet. And this baby is humongous. Now I'm interested to see what we got in the kitchen. How did we get a closet so big? We must have done some things.
But we added the two-arm light there,
Yeah.
and I don't believe that they put the mirror up.
Well, yes, that's part of the drywall package, and now they're shipping all the mirrors loose. So gone are the days where I can wave at you guys in the mirror. Now you get that, okay? Back to Brittany. I did not pause it.
Okay, well, we're gonna pause here, folks. Here we.
Hey, now we're back and we're professional again. Welcome to the kitchen. Before I start talking about the kitchen, I want to reintroduce you to another member of my production team. This is Reagan. She's new to the team and she does an awesome job. Say hi, Reagan.
Hi, Reagan.
Hi, Reagan. Okay, back to business. We are in the kitchen of the Topeka and there's so many great things. This customer decided to omit the refrigerator, and you can do that. If you have your own fridge and you can even still have me run a water line. So lots of things that we can do there. Here's the building code. You have to be able to prepare food. So there has to be either a stove and a microwave. And if you want to get out of it the less expensive way, you just keep the stove, right? All right. Part of that ultimate home package, we've got a full wall of ceramic tile on the range wall. That's always a beautiful thing. Also cabinets to the ceiling, valance board over the kitchen sink, drawers over doors, mobile home mama favorite, and then crescent edging, rounding of the countertops. All right, yes, now we know why the closet is so big. This customer, same thing that I did, I didn't need that much pantry. In the standard floor plan, this pantry, you could walk in and walk all the way around to a full pantry, and I didn't and she didn't need that much pantry. So what happens is there's an optional kitchen where you cut the pantry here, we add a bookcase here, and then we add a nice coffee bar. One of my favorite things of my kitchen is my coffee bar. I love it, love it, love it. Coffee, toaster, juicer, all the things to jumpstart your morning happens right here. Largest island that we make, this is an 083 island. You can seat 4 large seats here, and then on the other side, oh, I lost her, lots of storage on the other side. So, perfect place for pot and pans. And you could have some pot and pan drawers if you wanted to right down here. So, this is a new floor. We haven't seen much of this yet. So if Brittany, if you could pan to the floor, we're talking about a floor that's called Serenity. Looks like white distressed barnwood, but it does have some brown streaks in it, and it is gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, got a nice dining area over here, and these cabinets were shipped loose. We'll probably see why in just a moment. So, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, we already saw those. Here's the second bath. In that ultimate home package, you're also going to get an over-the-commode linen, which Brittany is showing you right there. And you can choose where it goes, either in bath 2 or the master bath, whatever you want to do. You guys can tell I've given up on the political correctness. I'm just saying it the way that we talk it in the industry, you know? All right, heading into the utility room, I have a feeling we prepped for a stackable here. Yep, I'm right about that. So those cabinets that we saw in the kitchen are the washer dryer cabinets that come in that ultimate home kitchen. So you would want to do that if you're going to put a water softener in. That's a great place for the water softener. So there you have it, folks. Hey, we've got a new showroom coming the beginning of June. And we've got a lot of great things for you to see here. We've got financing, FHA, VA, construction loans, chattel mortgages, however you need help, we're here to help you. And as always, thanks for watching.